So the major purpose of this video is to better understand what are the new improvements in GPT-5 model. I have gone through a bunch of videos on YouTube. I watched videos related to GPT-5, and I just wanted to put down my thoughts as a video. So that's the reason I'm making this entire video. And to set the context, I think there are around 1 billion plus impressions are happening monthly via ChatGPT. I mean, people are accessing the web and app, and 250 million people, I mean, the impressions are happening daily. So that's a really huge number. And 5 million businesses are utilizing this GPT-5 models for their day-to-day business activities. So that's and also 2.5 billion prompts daily. So that's really huge. So the reason why I'm bringing these numbers, because so this model or ChatGPT or GPT models are creating a huge effect daily on lots of people, millions of people. So it's a good thing to understand what's happening right now, and also what is the current model advancements which are happening, not only about OpenAI, but it's better to have some understanding. So that's the reason I'm creating this video. And in one of the videos, Sam Altman was mentioning, and the overall agenda of OpenAI, or the end goal is to create a super intelligence. So it is nothing but just take an example, a super intelligent model. So it has to perform better than researchers, better than people, and it has to take better decisions. So only then a specific model or agent, you name it, anything, so we can consider that as a super intelligent. And coming to GPT-5, so in one of the video they were mentioning about GPT-4 and GPT-3. Some analogies like GPT-3, imagine GPT-3 model as a high school student, GPT-4 as a college student, and GPT-5 as a PhD and expert. So, and the line which I'm hearing a lot in many of the videos is that, so, and also the marketing campaign is, and the marketing campaign in many of the videos which I've observed was that, imagine GPT-5 or any models like having PhDs in your pocket. Suppose if you have some idea, and if you want to create that as a product, then if that software product or any product needs some expertise from life sciences or finance or healthcare, then we can able to utilize this model, because this model has been trained from different domains, and from different domains you can get some expert advice, and you can able to take this model can able to take the decision better and create product effectively. And coming to GPT-5 specific improvements, they were mentioning that the writing quality has improved a lot, and it can able to, if people are having some creative blocks, that will help them a lot. And also the writing quality or nuances of underlying depth of the writing has improved a lot. And the major part would be, it has a best coding model. So when you have some idea, if you wanted to create some software product, it can able to do within minutes without any hiccups or bugs. And now using this GPT-5, you can able to create front end very easily. It has improved a lot, and we can also able to have some back end. The front end, this specific front end will run in Canvas. The Canvas is nothing but it has some underlying virtual machine which will be running online, and we can able to run front end code, and we can able to see the front end live itself. And back end, if you wanted to develop, we can able to develop, and you can run it in a local computer. And they were mentioning about agentic agents and agentic coding task. So using this, it can able to connect to different connectors. So underlying these connectors are like MCP, model context protocol connectors. We can able to connect to different products like Notion, Google Drive, Calendar, OpenTable, and any other application. These imagine these like an API call. So using these connectors, you can able to fetch the data from different sources, and using our prompt. So if that prompt requires a specific data from Notion, or specific data from Calendar, or specific data from OpenTable, then it can able to fetch the data, and we can able to create an application accordingly. So internally for all this coding task, it will spin up a VM, write code. It will do resist better. If we wanted to go to different websites, it will go through that. It will interact with different websites. And if you wanted to for data analyst, if you wanted to create some documents, it will do some data analysis, and it will create a documents like slideshows, spreadsheets, PPTs, etc. And they also mentioned the safety measures has improved a lot. So if some other actor is trying to access this ChatGPT to create some destructive product, then it can able to mitigate those things as well. And you know that this ChatGPT has memory feature. So using this memory feature, they said that you can able to create a separate personality, or configure the personality accordingly. The major thing is that you can build apps with GPT faster, and you can do some deep research. The other thing also, that many people are using ChatGPT to diagnose their health related issues. So they have put more effort in refining those prompts, or refining those outputs for the health related prompts. And in one of the video, they were mentioning or keeping they are discussing about this thing, like in future GPT-6, 7 or 8, or in any other LLM model or AI model, it can able to it can able to figure out a scientific breakthrough, or it can also get a Nobel Prize, or it can create a new science, or it can cure a cancer. So it can be AI, it can be agents or models. So Sam Altman was discussing about this. So it's not only about OpenAI's model, it can be any other model in the near future. That model can able to crack a new science, or cures cancer, or get a Nobel Prize because of the scientific breakthroughs. Also, using those models, a single person can create a company having a $1 billion revenue, and which are providing good services to the world. And following are some of the limiting factors of AI, like compute, data, algorithmic design, and power. If we have more power, we can able to run more servers, and we can have more computation, and the models get trained properly, and with some new data, and also with some new algorithmic design, we can able to create more good models. In one of the video, they were mentioning about two kinds of people who are using AI. So first kind of people, they are just, if they are having some task, they're just using this ChatGPT to get some output, that's it, and they are not thinking about this output at all. And the other kind of people are, if they get some task to do, they will take help of this ChatGPT, get the output, and they think deeply related to this specific task. And the other major thing they were mentioning, that the speed of from the idea inception to creation of software product, if it is taking, I mean, it's not exact figures, but it is taking 4 months before with the GPT-3 or 4. Now it might take 1 hour, because the GPT-5 can able to debug properly. It can able to create a good front end, back end properly right now. So on a whole, I've just gone through what GPT-5 has improved from its past models, like writing quality, better coding model, then researching better, having agentic features, safety measures, memory, and healthcare deep research, and building an apps with GPT-5. I've just gone through a bunch of other ideas which were discussed in the videos. So that's it, guys. I just want to dump my thoughts. So thanks for watching.